What's up guys, it's Lashik again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this clock right here. As you can see, it is bought from Amazon and I will link it down in the description if you want to buy it. So the only disadvantage with this clock is the fact that it is connected with wires. Yes, I am saying that because it's unusual that I say it, since I never prefer batteries, but for a clock, I think it is better to have huge batteries in them instead of having a wired one, since you're going to hang it on top. Is the fact that it has a LED light on the bottom, so it needs a lot of electricity to work. So it says indoor and outdoor temperature and has the days of the week and also the date. So for level of brightness. And the box is really simple. There's nothing much written on it, just a QR code if you are going to buy it in China, let's say, if you just bought it from the store. So the time is included, of course. It's a clock, dimmer control, 16-inch display, so it's going to be pretty big. Temperature is included, which is mentioned, and 7 color night light is also included. So this is the LED strip that they are talking about, and there's also 12-hour and 24-hour format. Daylight saving time is I think it should be automatic, since in my previous review a clock that I unboxed had automatic. Well, of course it doesn't mean this one should have, but I just bought the latest model, so it should. So this is the charger, and it seems pretty long, so I think it should reach the wall where I want to hang the clock itself. And we bought this little clock so that it can be visible during the night. So let's go ahead and put it up. And another thing that I would like to mention here is the fact that it came in a bubble wrap, so that it doesn't feel premium. It's just the fact that the company took initiative to put it in a safe box. That's pretty big, I would say. It has a remote for dimming control, for example, if you're going to wall mount it. And another good thing is the fact that they have included the screws, so it requires 3 screws which are on the back, but if you want to set it on a table, you also have a kickstand. Battery section is so it has a nice little compartment where you put where the screws came and the batteries, of course, and also the remote. So if you just want to hang it up without using the remote control, of course it's there. Yup, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll probably show you how to set it up and a proper review on this.